Introducing FactorLens, your portfolio intelligence platform. Build portfolios using factor-based index funds, tailored to your risk appetite, backtested over 20 plus years, so you can make investment decisions with clarity and confidence. No tips, no speculation, just structured data-backed investing. Now let's jump into the product. I'll click on Build My Portfolio. We'll start with a quick risk assessment. This takes less than 30 seconds. You'll answer a few simple questions about your investing experience, comfort with volatility, and time horizon. Based on this, FactorLens understands your risk profile and tailors a portfolio just for you. Now, this is the main portfolio dashboard. At the top, you can see the selected factor strategies. Below that, your portfolio allocation. Clean, simple, and fully adjustable. You can tweak weights in real time and instantly see how your portfolio evolves. Now this is where it gets powerful. You're not locked into a recommendation. You can increase exposure to momentum, reduce volatility, or add and remove strategies based on your preference. Everything updates dynamically. You're building your portfolio, not just following any template. Now let's scroll down further. Here's the detailed backtest performance. You can see how your portfolio would have grown over time across real market cycles. You also get drawdowns during crashes, rolling returns, and key risk metrics like CAGR, volatility, and Sharpe ratio. This is critical because investing is not just about returns, it's about how you handle the volatility. FactorLens helps you understand just that before you invest. Further down, you will see portfolio composition across factors, performance comparisons, and fiscal year-wise return breakdowns. This gives you complete transparency. No black boxes, no hidden assumptions. You can see the actual index funds mapped to each strategy. These are real investable funds. You can take this allocation and execute it on any brokerage platform. Remember, FactorLens is not an advisor. It's your decision engine. Now let's quickly look at the funds ranking section. Here, you can compare various index funds across returns, risk, drawdowns, and consistency. And finally, the academy section. This is where everything is explained in simple, practical terms. You will learn what passive investing is, how factor investing works, and why diversification matters, and what the data actually shows over time. FactorLens doesn't just give you the output, it helps you become a better investor. If you want to build a smart portfolio backed by real-time data, try FactorLens today for free.